Okay, here's a very short little tutorial about working with stems. Often when you're working with someone, they send you stems, or maybe you've exported from a different application. The file name of each stem, particularly when you're working with Ableton, it puts the whole track name and things at the beginning of the file name. But when you import it into your new DAW, let's just drag it in and stick it in Logic. Let's use existing tracks. Of course, the track names are labelled with whatever the file name is. I mean, you can sort of read it, but it gets a bit messy when you're looking in the mixer. You just can't tell what instrument is what. So I prefer to get rid of that and just have the actual instrument label. So let's just undo that. Jump back into the file browser, and this is going to be all about batch renaming. So right click with them all selected, click rename, and type in the file name. This has hidden it, but the bit that I want to get rid of, Sycamores dash 90 BPM dash, let's type it in, and as you can see, it gradually gives you an edited example. So then it's dash 90 BPM, so space dash space 90 BPM space dash space, and you can see it gradually gets rid of it. There's a replace with, but if we just replace it with nothing, it just will delete that prefix to the file name. So let's click rename. Bang, they're all renamed. Now we can drag them in. And all the tracks are labelled nicely for us. It's a real time saver, especially if you're importing a project that has 100 stems in it. You don't want to sit there and rename 100 tracks in a DAW. It's going to take ages. So using that batch rename will allow you to just strip out any prefix in the file name that is unnecessary for you to work with. So now it's nice and simple on the track labels. We open up the mixer, we can see they're nicely obvious as to what instrument is what in the mixer. Cool, thanks.